Welcome to Homeschool for American Adults. Hi, I'm Donna Marie. Today we are going to write about our favorite place to live. We will learn how to share our opinion and give reasons why we feel that way. Let us begin learning to write an opinion paragraph with reasons. The title we are using today is My Favorite Place to Live. What is an opinion? An opinion is how you think or feel about something. When we share our opinion, we explain why we feel that way. We give reasons. When we write our opinion, we can use these sentence starters. They help us tell what we think and why. I'll read the sentence starters to you. My favorite place is, I like it because, I feel, there are, I enjoy, this place is special to me because. Here is a sample paragraph. It tells the writer's favorite place and gives reasons why they love it. I'll read the paragraph to you, and then we will identify the sentence starters. Ready? I'll begin. My favorite place to live is New York City. I like it because I grew up in Bedford-Stuyvesant. It is a place where I feel at home. There are nice houses and everything I need. I like the many people and cultures I see there. This place is special to me because it holds good memories from my childhood. Let's identify the sentence starters. Here's one, my favorite. Here's another one, I like it because. Here's another one, there are. And the last one is, this place is special to me because. Now it's your turn. Use the sentence starters to write your own opinion paragraph. Think about the place you love the most. I will read the sentence starters to you. Ready? I'll begin. My favorite place to live is blank. I like it because blank. It is a place where I feel blank. There are blank and blank there. I enjoy blank when I am there. This place is special to me because blank. Fill in the blanks. Please pause the video and work at your own pace. Let's share our writing. Reading out loud helps us practice our voice and feel proud of our ideas. Read your paragraph out loud to a friend. Great job. Congratulations, you made it to the end of lesson 23. Now I have an assignment for you to do. Your assignment is to take a a few minutes every day to review the lesson. If you find it difficult to do any part of this lesson, remember, you can always rewind this video and practice again. Never move on to the next lesson until you complete this lesson with ease. When you can complete this lesson with ease, you are ready to move on to the next lesson. See you there. Now, we have reached the end of this session, but before you go, please, if you've experienced the joy of learning this interactive lesson, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you will know when a new lesson is uploaded. Thank you for joining me today. It was a pleasure teaching you. Bye-bye.